Ratna. Here, Soumya from Times Now. Firstly, the trailer looks amazing. Congratulations on that. And my question is, it is not very, usually we don't see, women of all ages expressing their feelings and desires. I mean, and even when it is about the young girls. And this movie does it without any age bars. So what do you have to say about that?
About time that people figured out that, we are not dead. Just because you happen to have a few white hair doesn't mean you are dead. So, yeah, I mean, people have desires all through their lives, emotional, sexual, all kinds of desires. And the fact that this kind of a story could be told and was even thought of, I don't think it would have been possible 4 years ago, 5 years ago. The fact that Alankrita did and that we are here today with this film means that something is going right. So we are getting to tell different kinds of stories.
Alankrita, my question goes to you. Why the trailer's been so hard-hitting?
Well, the reason that the trailer's been so hard-hitting is that I've had a very hard-hitting kind of journey. And I think I'm done with the niceties. We've been very soft and kind and all of that, but I think I'm really done with that. Because, we had a very warm, graphic image that we had used earlier when we had, for the international festivals and all of that. But I think time's really up on that. We applied for the censor certificate at the end of December. We got it in our hands on the 3rd of June, and on the 5th we announced the release. So it took me almost 6 months to get a film certified. I think I'm allowed to come out with a trailer that's hard-hitting because also I feel that what happens to the characters in the film is exactly what happened to the film. It was like, if women want to express themselves, they should just be told to shut up and stay at home and not show their film in theaters. So I think that there's a real parallel between what women experience and what actually the film experienced. And that's the reason we came out with this trailer. And also I think that it's really important for people to go out into the theater to watch this film, because otherwise it's like, what was that whole battle for? And as citizens of India, are we really interested in listening to women's stories? Are we interested in freedom of expression? And I should think that the fact that this film is releasing is not just about, the people behind the film, but the fact that it's important that the film is managing to release.